Lord Xerus! Lord Xerus!
More unboxing! Here's a package that I got. I'm gonna need these guys. Oh, cool. It's my iPhone case. Cool, because, you know, Lord Xerus needs an iPhone. Alright, guys. Actually, here's a package that I probably should have opened a long time ago. I got it in January. This is a package from a GoFundMe that I funded. It is from one of my, what used to be one of my favorite video game makers, Richard Garriott. It's kind of a funny story. I really liked Ultima as a kid. Didn't get a lot of chance to play it because my friends were the ones that had PCs and I never had it, never had the game. But then one year, I played Ultima 9, which I thought was a really awesome game. But apparently, all the OG Ultima players really hated Ultima 9, which I didn't know until recently. So, anyway, when Richard Garriott said he was going to do a new online game, I was like, oh yeah, I want to fund that. So I gave me the Shroud of the Avatar. I funded it at a certain level, and I got this is the box that I sent her. And I got this back in January. Haven't played it, haven't even cracked the seal. Why don't we take a look and see what's inside? That's probably not a good idea. Should probably just use my mundane hands. Hey, whatever doesn't kill you increases your dexterity modifier. Alright, entry. Alright. That was surprisingly easy. Alright, let's see what's inside now. Alright. Okay, here we go. Whoa. Yeah, look at that. Looks like we got our signature Ultima, well, can't call it Ultima anymore. Our signature Richard Garriott cloth map. Check that out. Oh, that's nice. High quality stuff. Shroud of the Avatar. Makes me excited to play this game. Alright, let's see what else we got. Alright. Oh, no! Adventurer's Manual. Oh, coin. Look at that. That's a beauty. That's a beautiful coin right there. Lovely stuff. Richard Garriott never disappoints. Always liked his stuff, even though I didn't play all the games. Actually, I really liked Ultimate 8 too, if everyone remembers Pagan. I think Pagan was my real introduction to actually owning one of those games. So here's a installer and soundtrack. Oh, Blast from the Past. I wonder what this is. Oh, it's like some stories and notes from that company's past here. AKA Lord British. Yeah, Lord British. Oops, already ruining it. Here's a little chart thingamajig. Translator thing. Well, that's good. That is exactly what he promised me. And there was some other intangibles too that were promised in my level, which I think was the artisan level of thing, but yeah, there's nothing. Empty box. Here's a little Ankh charm. It's also included in the box. I think that's the symbol of the Avatar. That was the thing that was also always associated with the Ultima games. So that looks like fun. I'll look forward to checking all this stuff out. That's it, guys. That's it for the unboxing. Later on, maybe if I have the wherewithal, if I can figure out how to use a computer, maybe I can install this game and play it and give you my review. Alright guys, this has been Lord Xerus. Don't forget, if you want to help me out, like and subscribe, and also read The Tale of the Order of the Blue Maiden. This book is available on Amazon, iTunes, Kobo, and Barnes & Nobles. 20 years in the making. You'll never... How's it go? What's the slogan? I forgot. 20 years in the making. You've never heard a tale like this.